Stop! The following experiment is dangerous. Do not try this at home. No, really, don't.
This off-white orb is an ostrich egg. It's made up of 3 layers nearly 20 millimetres thick. That's 10 times thicker than your average chicken egg, and tough enough for a 6-foot-tall, 150-pound bird to sit on. Microwaves are deadly at close range, and as they heat up our 6-inch-long encased protein package, the yolk gets nuked and starts to expand. Until finally, it bursts. We do these experiments so you don't have to. Do not try this at home.
Which is the fizziest drink?